looking for?
For the horrible thing I got on me. It's a horrible thing. Big horrible thing. It's a big horrible thing.
Big horrible thing? You can't find that?
It's a big horrible thing. It's this big. I couldn't found it in my room.
Where
It was
is
so
it?
big.
Where
And
is
I
it?
couldn't found it. It was so tall.
Where did it go?
And I couldn't found it because it was so tall. Because that's why I couldn't found it. It was very tall. It was very tall. I couldn't found it. Because it was this big. And I couldn't find it. I had to look for it. I had to look for it. Because it's lost. And I couldn't find it. So the reason why I can't sing.
Show me your dance.
So I can dance. I can we have to know the reason why. We have to figure out the reason why and fix it. So the reason why we say, the reason why we say, the reason why. It's this big. It's this big. I could found it. It's this big. This big. Tiny. Big, big, big. Bigger in the ceiling.
Are you a movie star? Are you a movie star?
This little big. This big. I couldn't found it. It was this sideways. It was way down a little bit. And it was like that.
Okay, say bye everybody. I'm turning it off.
Bye everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay,